Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Shorts. Today, just a quick thing that we're doing. I made a decision really, which was to cut out the companion being closing panels. So those panels are the ones that are normally in here, and what they do is they actually weld to the underside of this, well, would be the top side if the car was the right way up, of this panel, and then they're welded to they're spot welded along the top of the sill. So I've cut the one out on this side. Here it is. So it would be like that in this car. So you'd have that surface there would be welded onto the inner sill. Then it's just a bit bent out the way here. Seems to be like it on all Mini 25s, that it goes to the angle there rather than just staying flat. Not sure why it would be different on this car, but anyway, it's just to bend it out of the way of the door there. So you can see at this end it had rusted away and there wasn't really anything left of the section that's supposed to go over the top of the next closing panel. What that should do is follow that diagonal line to about here and then come across. So missing maybe a centimetre off here and this piece, this sort of triangle missing, which was all rusty. Obviously it's been cut out by the grinder, but it was all rusty. That panel's got to be welded on, and then I'm just wondering if that panel's welded on there. Try and get that fitted, and then if I decide to fit this closing panel on there like that, whether I'll be able to slot that floor in underneath that black panel there, because I would have to lift the floor, come down at an angle, tuck it underneath, and then flatten the floor again, and I'm just not sure that's going to work. So there is another option, which is not to fit this now and either fit it on there, so that's all one piece, almost as if it's part of the floor assembly, or to leave it off completely, fit all of this. So we'll see. In the meantime, I will go around the other side of the car and we're just going to start grinding out the other one. Right, here we are with this out of the car now. Sure, I had to use the hand saw to just cut that last bit of the inner sill away where I didn't have access with the grinder. But so now I just need to take these spot welds. I've just marked them out just so you can see where they are. And we'll just be using the spot weld drill. And if I just hold you here, maybe you can watch. And maybe you can see in there, you just about start getting some orange dust as you cut through into the rust between the two panels. Just using the chisel flat side against the panel we're keeping. So we're just knocking this chisel along here, and you can see it's just springing clear of those spot welds there. So just the rest of them to finish off. Alright guys, speak to you later.